Hello everyone and welcome back to Mobile Tech Know-how. Today I'll be showing you something interesting. I'll be showing you how to back up your media files, your pictures, your videos, so that you don't ever get to lose them again. A lot of people go about having to lose their phones and they lost their pictures, lost their important documents, and they cannot find them anymore. I'm really sorry about any documents or pictures or any important videos you've lost in the past, but I think this will solve that problem permanently if you can just follow through with the step I'm about to show you. I'll be showing you how to back up your photos, your files, your videos using Google Photos. This guy you can see here, I'm showing you how to use the Google Photos app to back up all of your media files and your important videos and documents so that you don't get to lose them anymore. So let's go straight to the video. I'm showing you files I saved since 2021. This Saturday, February 13th, 2021. And I will tell you that I was not using this phone I'm using to record this video now. As of then, I was using another phone, and I lost that phone November 2021. Yeah, I lost the phone, and I was able to back up my pictures from February, and that's why you can see that pictures from February. This is a video actually. If I should click on it to restore back and to start playing, it's a video. So that pictures like that match, you can see. So like that, April and all that. All I have to do is click on this and to restore back, and I can start going through them over again. So all you have to do is make sure you back up your photos, back up your videos on your Google Photos. I will show you how to back them up right away. So you can click, you can see your email icon. If you've not logged in your email to your Google Photos, please do. On the right side of your screen, you can see the email icon there. You see mine is rotating around because I'm only backing up some photos. So click on it, and you see your Google account. If it's already backed up, you see backup. Right now I have 69% left to back up. I have used 6.3 gig of data out of 15 gigabytes of my Google photo space, and I have a start free trial of 100 gigabytes if I need more space. So I'll be showing you how to back these things up right away. So let's go to photo settings. Okay, backup. This is where you choose the email you want to use in backing up your photos. So click on backup, and I can decide to pick an email I want to use. Right now, this email I'm using to backup, like I showed you already. So let's go to backup quality. Backup quality, I can decide to choose the original quality of the photos, the way it was snapped, and I save it directly to my Google Drive and Google Space, my photo space, and I can decide to use storage saver. So this will make the photo or video to be a little bit less quality than how it was originally, but this will save me more space. You can see original quality, backup with no change to quality, first 15 gigabytes at no charge, photos and videos in full resolutions, recommended for large prints, while saver is photos compressed to 16 megabyte pixel, videos compressed on high definition, good quality print up to 24 by 16 inches. So you can decide to select any of them, and you see that's what I'm using now. So it's helping to save more space in time. So I can also use the site to either back up my photos or videos by Wi-Fi or use my mobile data, and I can decide to set a limit on how much of data I want to use daily to back up my photos. So click on mobile data usage. Right now mine is set on 10 megabytes per day, so I don't exceed 10 megabytes of upload per day. So I don't get to spend all my data on uploading behind background without me knowing. So I can set on 10 megabytes or 30 megabytes or even unlimited as I desire it to be. I can to back up videos over data. So and also Wi-Fi is also used to back up when available. As you can see, down here. So it's used to back up when it's available. So that's that. So I can decide to back up also device folders. Like I said, your important documents, your CVs, your school documents, you don't have to lose any of them. If you have a folder that contains these documents, all you have to do is click on the backup device folder. So you can see I have different folders here. All I have to do is click on the icon and it will start, and I can just click on it and the folder will begin to back itself up. So that is how you can make sure you do not get to lose any of your important files or folders or pictures, videos anymore. You have to make sure that you always back them up. And again, if you do not want to give it an automatic backup, you can always also come to select your pictures or whatever manually. You can come and all you have to do, let me look for a picture here that I can click on. These are from old, so I've not restored this one, that's why they're here, but as showing I can still restore them if I want to. I want to restore, you see this picture is from 2023. Right now it's already backed up here. You can check, it's already backed up. You can see backed up 40 kilobytes. So I can click on it now to learn more, but I don't want to do that. So it's already backed up. I'm looking at a picture that is not backed up. Most of my pictures are already backed up, so I don't want to back them up again. Okay, I'm looking for something that is not backed up. Okay, this video for example is not backed up right now. It's not backed up. This you can see. Look at the icon. You should click if you want to back up one after the other. Just click on this icon, this cloud icon here, and you see that it will show you uploading using 108 megabytes of data, but I can cancel upload now. So all you have to do, if you think you do not want to back up every of your files or photos, you want to back up just a few of them, just click on the cloud icon. Anytime you've logged in your email to your Google Photos, you only see the cloud icon on top, sitting on top of an image or a video. Just click on it and it will upload automatically. So you don't have to upload everything you have on your photos storage to your cloud, but you can select them individually to back up. So that is what I want to show you now. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you've learned from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share so that others can also get this content that you just enjoyed. Thank you very much.